What if I told you your heart could benefit, or be harmed, by the foods you eat every day? Even simple meals can secretly impact your blood pressure, cholesterol, and overall heart health. Today, I'm going to show you quick, delicious, heart-healthy recipes you can make in under 15 minutes, easy, powerful ways to support your heart every day. Welcome to Quantum Sphere Health, where we uncover the hidden truths of wellness and heart health. In today's video, we'll explore 5 quick and heart-healthy recipes that are easy to make in under 15 minutes, designed to nourish your heart, boost energy, and support overall well-being. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that can dramatically improve your heart health. Most people never hear about it. We'll cover 5 delicious, heart-healthy recipes you can make in under 15 minutes. How each recipe supports healthy cholesterol and blood pressure. Tips to reduce inflammation through simple ingredients. Quick ways to balance your diet even with a busy schedule. Easy swaps to make classic meals heart-friendly. A bonus tip that maximizes the heart benefits of these recipes. Let's jump in. Secret 1. Quick spinach and beetroot salad. Blood pressure support. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to support your heart and maintain healthy blood pressure is with a fresh spinach and beetroot salad. This quick, nutrient-packed recipe combines leafy greens, beetroot, and cherry tomatoes, all rich in dietary nitrates and potassium, essential nutrients known to naturally lower blood pressure and improve blood vessel function. Action steps. Take 2 cups of fresh spinach and toss with half a cup grated beetroot and a handful of cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon for flavor and additional heart-healthy benefits. For maximum effect, enjoy this salad 3 to 4 times a week as part of a balanced diet. Regularly incorporating this easy, under 15-minute salad into your meals not only supports healthy blood pressure but also enhances overall cardiovascular function, promotes heart wellness, and provides a quick, convenient way to boost your daily intake of essential nutrients for a stronger, healthier heart. Secret 2. Avocado and oats breakfast bowl. Cholesterol control. Start your day with a heart-healthy breakfast that supports optimal cholesterol levels. The avocado and oats breakfast bowl. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which binds excess LDL, bad cholesterol, in your digestive system, helping reduce arterial plaque buildup and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Adding avocado provides monounsaturated fats, which are known to increase HDL, good cholesterol, helping maintain a healthy cholesterol balance and supporting efficient blood flow. Action steps. Begin with half a cup of cooked oats and mix in 1/4 of a mashed avocado for creamy texture and healthy fats. Enhance with fresh berries or a handful of nuts for antioxidant support, which combats inflammation and oxidative stress in the cardiovascular system. Consume this breakfast daily or several times a week to naturally stabilize cholesterol, support vessel health, and maintain energy levels. Secret 3. Turmeric and veggie stir-fry, anti-inflammatory boost. Protect your heart naturally with a turmeric and veggie stir-fry, a quick and colorful meal that delivers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power in every bite. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, is a potent compound known for reducing chronic inflammation, which is a silent contributor to arterial damage and cardiovascular risk. Combined with a variety of vibrant vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, this stir-fry provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and protect the delicate lining of your blood vessels. Action steps. Sauté 1 to 2 cups of mixed vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, in a non-stick pan with 1/2 teaspoon turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. Add 1 to 2 cloves of minced garlic and a splash of olive oil to enhance flavor and cardiovascular protection. Serve over quinoa or brown rice for a fiber-rich, balanced, heart-friendly meal that can be enjoyed for lunch or dinner. Secret 4. Salmon and green beans, omega-3 power in minutes. Give your heart a powerful boost with a quick, nutrient-packed meal featuring salmon and green beans. Salmon is naturally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are proven to reduce inflammation, improve blood lipid profiles, and support healthy heart rhythm. Regular intake of omega-3s can help lower triglycerides, reduce arterial plaque buildup, and protect against cardiovascular disease. Green beans complement this meal perfectly, offering dietary fiber, essential vitamins, and antioxidants that protect blood vessels and support healthy cholesterol levels. This combination isn't just heart healthy, it's also fast, flavorful, and satisfying, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. You can create a complete, balanced meal in under 15 minutes, providing protein, fiber, and healthy fats in one plate. Action steps. Pan-sear a 4 to 5 ounce salmon fillet in olive oil for 6 to 8 minutes, cooking until golden brown and tender. Steam 1 cup of fresh green beans while the salmon cooks to retain nutrients and crunch. Plate together and drizzle lightly with olive oil or lemon juice for added flavor and heart benefits. Secret 5, quick lentil soup, fiber and heart protection. Lentils are an excellent source of soluble fiber and plant protein, supporting cholesterol balance and blood sugar control. Action steps. Combine 1 cup cooked lentils with diced tomatoes, spinach, garlic, and spices. Simmer for 10 minutes and season with herbs. Enjoy as a warm, heart-friendly lunch or dinner. Here's a simple heart hack many miss: boosting nitric oxide naturally through quick recipes and mindful breathing. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps lower blood pressure, all in under 15 minutes. Tip: incorporate these recipes 3 to 4 times a week for consistent support. Small changes can dramatically increase your heart's resilience over time. Here's what you should remember. High blood pressure, hidden cholesterol issues, chronic inflammation, and a sedentary lifestyle are silent threats to your heart. Skipping checkups and ignoring small changes in your health only makes problems worse. Over time, you can take action right now. Check your vitals, add nitrate-rich leafy greens to your meals, move after eating, schedule daily activity, and prioritize quality sleep and stress management. And don't forget the bonus tip: boosting nitric oxide through simple recipes and deep breathing is a secret weapon many overlook, but it can strengthen your heart significantly. If this video helped you see how simple habits and quick recipes can protect your heart, hit like. It really helps more people discover these life-saving tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Quantum Sphere Health and tap the bell, so you won't miss future videos where we uncover more hidden truths about heart health. I'm curious, which secret or recipe surprised you the most? Or are you already doing one without realizing its benefit? Share it in the comments below, I'd love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, your heart's health is in your hands. Take small steps daily to protect it. See you in the next video.